Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to cook assorted meat and how to get a flavorful, high quality liquid stock, and also how to grill the meat. Without further ado, let's get started. Place a pot of cleaned and rinsed assorted meat over medium heat. To season the assorted meat, add some chopped onion, minced garlic, sea salt, herbs and spices. All these seasonings make the liquid stock flavorful and nutritious. The herbs and spices can be customized to your taste. There are so many herbs and spices which are highly nutritious. Feel free to do more research and use as preferred. Note that I did not add water. This is because meat naturally contains water and it releases as it cooks. After about 15 minutes, mix and try to push the cow foot and tripe, which take longer to cook, to the base of the pot, leaving the turkey and the beef at the top. Cover with a lid and allow to cook for about 20 minutes or until tender. Take out the beef, turkey and tripe, leaving the cow foot in the pot to cook for 5 more minutes or until soft. Line a baking tray with parchment paper or baking paper and spread the assorted meat on the tray. Place in an oven set at 200 degrees centigrade for roughly 20 to 30 minutes or until slightly brown. Grilling the assorted meat gets rid of some fat and gives the meat a nice flavor and texture. The liquid stock can be used to add extra flavor to your jollof rice, fried rice, stew, pasta, and the list goes on. The grilled assorted meat can be used in various cooking. I will be using the assorted meat and liquid stock in making this Yummieliciouz egusi soup. If you have not subscribed, please kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification so you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. Please don't forget to click on the like button, leave a comment, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.